Welcome to the channel, welcome ladies and gentlemen to a bit of a vlog video today. I have to get some bits for the GTiR today, namely license plates. But you get to see a car that has not been here on the channel for some time, which is my Nissan 370Z. But one thing has just come in for the Pulsar, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. I said this on the last video, I was going to be getting coilovers because the car is really close to being on the road. These are the same coilovers, obviously not the same, obviously, but these are the same coilovers that are on my 370Z, and I've really liked them. I have really liked them. They're Meisters, or Meister R Zeta CRDs. I rate them very highly. Nick recommended them to me because they're actually on his R33 GTR back in the day when he had that. So I haven't unboxed them yet. So let's unbox them together. You'll see why I like them. A lot of people really rate, what do they really rate? BC coilovers, you know, and they're fine. Like, I'm sure they're really good. But you know, you don't always have to have what everyone else has. And I really rate these. Obviously, you know, these are good, blah blah. It says all that kind of stuff. Basically all the normal spiel. And then, ladies and gents, bum. Oh, that was a pretty shit reveal, wasn't it? They're really cool, quirky, black and red. I thought it would go with the theme of the Nismo that I'm working on with this car. So these will be the rears. Oh, has it got camber? Huh. I did not know it had adjustable camber plates. No. Does it really? I didn't know it had that. Does it have camber plates? What? Okay. So it's got rear? Is that rear camber? I think that's... I'm very confused. Anyway, these would be 32-way adjustable in terms of softening and hardening. I'm a bit confused by this. I'm gonna have to look into this. I don't know what this is. This was not on the Z. I think that's camber. I think. Not too sure. We'll figure that out. But anyway, ladies and gents, these are coilovers. Good. They're not going on the car today, so don't worry. This is not an install video. They're not going on the car because it is absolutely tipping it down. I do not want to do any installs in this weather for obvious reasons. Can you see that? Oh, you can, yeah. So, heavily raining. Let's go in the Z. So, you haven't heard this car for a long time. I am off, because I don't think I actually even told you, I'm off in the Z to go and get license plates for the Pulsar because the GTiR is almost on the road. Now it needs license plates because the old ones are garbage, they're crap. It's not the same setup in the UK as it is in the US. You have a license number, you know, your plate number, and it's corresponding to a logbook, and as long as you've got the logbook and identification corresponding to you on the logbook, etc., as you are the owner, you can go and get license plates made up whenever you want. Now I actually have to travel about 40 minutes away because there is only one place. Toyota MR2, nice. Mark II as well, nice. Pop-up headlights, love it. I think it's the Mark II. Pretty sure it's the Mark II. Anyway, I have to travel 40 minutes away because the size of the license plates for the Pulsar are small. The rear has a very small housing for a license plate. So I need to go to a specific place that stocks them because it's not the same. Like most places you can get them done only have one type in stock, which actually the one in stocks are normally those long ones, and I don't want the long ones. I want the short, tiny little stubby ones. So that's where we're going. So we're about to hop onto the M4, which will be good fun. You'll be able to hear this beast of a car, because I really do love my 370Z. I just don't get to drive it very well. I just don't get to enjoy it properly, because I drive it every single day. The idea is to have the Pulsar as a daily driver as well. I'm going to flip between the two.
In a quarter of a mile, at Whitby interchange, take the first exit onto the M4 slip road to South Wales, Bristol.
Thanks very much. Anyway, and the idea is obviously to go and have both cars, enjoy both of them, and then flip between the two. So let's hop on to the M4. Bloody without failure, ladies and gents. Without failure. Always someone parks next to you, don't they? Without failure. Right, well that about wraps it up, ladies and gents. Not much else to go into. Got the license plates. Done. So ultra small. In fact, this is the same size I've got on the truck, which is technically illegal for other cars, apparently in the UK, unless it's an import. The Pulsar GTiR is a Jap import, so it's not illegal. Yeah, a lot of people in the States seem to get really funny when you show your license plates, just that you can't find anything out. You can't find anything out. So don't worry, I'll be mounting these up and then in the next video, basically correcting what needs to happen to get the car on the road, which hopefully is nothing. Fingers crossed, like it can get on the road. We did the water pump, that's already done. Happy with that, no leaks. I'll do the suspension. That doesn't need it actually to pass, which is stupid, but you know, whatever. In fact, the water pump didn't even need to be done for it to pass. Again, stupid, but whatever. The UK is so messed up with their cars. I don't know what else it needs. I think, as far as I'm aware, a lot of it's just cosmetic, because all the lights work. Although the fog light might not work. We need fog lights in the UK. But anyway, that wraps it up, ladies and gents. Hope you enjoyed this weird little vlog. Cheers, guys. The Z is maybe coming back. What do you reckon? Should I buy some bits for the Z? Should we do some stuff on the Z? Let me know. I love this car. I just don't get to actually appreciate it properly. And then I drive it. Because I always contemplate selling it, and then I drive it and I'm like, no, I can't sell this car. I love this car. It just does everything I want it to do. It's super easy to drive. It just works. Anyway, I'm talking garbage. Cheers. Take care.